Hello everyone, my name is SN Patil. In this video lecture, we will discuss the problem on the gamma function. In this problem, we use the substitution. In this way, we get the exponential function under the integral as a e to the power minus t, then whatever the term is here. Okay, so let us solve the first problem here. Let I is equal to integration 0 to infinity x to the power a raised to x with respect to x integration, where a is strictly greater than 1. Say equation number 1. So here we use substitution for a raised to x. Okay, a raised to x is equal to a to the power x is equal to e raised to t. So 1 upon e raised to t is we get the e raised to minus t. Okay, now here I am going to take logarithmic function both side. Base is natural base. Okay, that is log of base is natural. Log of a raised to x is equal to log of e raised to t. Base is e. Okay, so it can be written as x, logarithmic property, x into log a, and here t into log e, and base is e. So simply t is remaining here. Okay, so here identify the x. So x is equal to t upon log of a. That is, we transfer x to the t. Therefore, dx is equal to dt, differentiate, divide by log of a. Log of a. Okay, now limit also change. Now limit, when lower limit x is equal to 0, put x is equal to 0, 0 into log a, that is 0, that is t is equal to 0. T is equal to 0. Now upper limit of x is infinity, put infinity here. Infinity into log a is infinity, that is equal to t. T is equal to infinity. Put in equation 1. Equation 1 become I is equal to 0 to infinity. The value of the x is t divided by log of a raised to a, and divided by a raised to x is e raised to t, and the value of the dx is dt divided by log of a. Okay, let us simplify. I is equal to integration 0 to infinity. Now here t raised to a in numerator, t raised to a, in denominator log of a bracket raised to a. Okay, and this log of a bracket raised to a, and already log a is there, log of a is there, and here 1 upon e raised to t, it can be written as e raised to minus t dt. Now log of a raised to a, and into log a, it can be written as log of a raised to a plus 1 under integral 0 to infinity e to the power minus t raised to a dt. Okay, now this is the result of the gamma function, that is I is equal to 1 upon log of a raised to a plus 1, and this is gamma of t raised to n is here, e raised to minus t, t raised to n is gamma of n plus 1. N is a, that is simply a plus 1. Okay, so this is the required result. So instead of a, there is a particular value is there, but which is strictly greater than 1. Okay, because here log of a, if a is 1, then it become meaningless. So instead of a, 2 is there, 3 is there. So use the same rule. Okay, now the second problem. Second problem having the same category, I is equal to 0 to infinity 1 upon 3 raised to 4x square with respect to x integration. Okay, now use the same kind of the substitution. Put denominator is equal to, see, this is the a to the power x. Okay, now put the substitution for the denominator. 3 raised to 4x square is equal to e to the power t. Taking log both side, natural log, that is some author right instead of log, write log ln and log both are the same. So here taking logarithmic function both side, that is log of 3 4x square and log of e to the power t, and here base is e. So here simply t is remaining, and here logarithmic property, we know that log of a to the power b is b into log of a. Okay, so it can be written as 4x square log of 3 is equal to, so here the base log of e, base e into, here log of e base e is equal to 1 into t, that is the t is here. Okay, therefore we here the 4 into log 3 is divide, here we identify the value of x, that is x square is equal to t divided by 4 log of 3. So x is equal to root t divided by the square root of 4, taking square root both sides, that is 2, and here under root log of 3. Okay, now differentiate. Therefore dx is equal to the derivative of root function is 1 upon 2 times root function. Okay, into, this is the constant term 2 and this 2. Okay, into 4, that is log of 3 in a square root and dt. So and simplify this term again, dt divided by 4 root t into log of 3 in a square root. Okay, now limit when x is equal to 0, put x equal to 0, we get t is 0. X is equal to infinity, we get t also infinity. Now put all these things in a equation number 1. So equation 1 become I is equal to, now I am repeating again, writing same equation, 1 upon 3 4x square dx. The value of the 3 4x square is e raised to t, and the dx is equal to dt upon 4 root t under root log of 3. Okay, now simplify. The 1 upon 4 is constant. Okay, 0 to infinity. Log under root log 3 also constant. Okay, now it can be written as 1 upon under root log 3 also constant. Under integral 0 to infinity, 1 upon e raised to t is e raised to minus t, and here t raised to minus 1 by 2 dt. Okay, and we know the gamma function, 1 upon 4 into log of 3 under root log 3, and here gamma of n plus 1, here n is minus 1 by 2 plus 1, minus 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 1 upon 4 log of 3 is equal to gamma 1 by 2, and we know gamma 1 by 2 is root pi, that is I is equal to 1 upon 4 log of 3 into root pi. Okay, so this is the required answer. Thank you. Thanks for watching video.